So hello friend, I'm Nabeena Paul and student of the MSc Nursing first year in AIIMS Mongolagiri, and my specialization is MedSurg in oncology. So today when I am working in the ward, at that time I noticed one thing, that different kinds of insulin vial. So I remember that during my preparation I am suffered very much due to different kinds of insulin. There are several types, several durations of each and every type, their peak, their concentration, and I think it's quite tough for me to remember all the different kinds of insulin and the doses and when I give it. So now I collect all the vial at a time, because during my time it is tough for me because I never see the too many types of insulin at a time, their vials, their naming. So I collect all the vial and I decide to show you different kinds of vial, how they look and what is the dosage. And this is very important from the exam point of view. Each and every exam, it's not only the MSc Nursing, NOSTED and RRB. Each and every exam, when they think that they ask one-liner question, so they can give from the insulin, and also there are different nurses role on the base of the insulin, how you mix the insulin, which kind of insulin you are able to mix, which is not, and how you use the syringes. There are two different syringes. So let's see the whole video. You will able to learn first the types of insulin, then the syringes, how you use the syringes, then how you store the insulin, how you mix the insulin. And the last thing that I am not able to teach you in that video, because I am doing the recording of the whole video. One of my friend, she is also doing the MSc Nursing in MedSurg with me, named Mongolagiri. She will teach you. So let's see the whole video. You will definitely get an idea. So let's start the video.
Hello everyone, so today I'm here. I'm a first year MSc nursing student here. So today I'm going to teach you about insulin. Okay, so these are the different types of insulin which is there in our world. So I'll be showing you the different types. So you can see here, this is the human actropid. You can see here it's human actropid. So this is a short acting insulin. Okay, so short acting insulin means it will peak around 2 to 4 hours. It will be peaking, and it will be acting around, the duration will be around 30 minutes. It will start acting, and the peak is around 2 to 4 hours, and the duration will last around 6 to 8 hours. So this is about the human actropid insulin, and it is a short acting insulin. And this comes, you see here, it is available in the 40 international unit per ml. Okay, so this is about the human actropid. Second, I'm going to talk about the insulin regular. Okay, so this regular insulin, this is the only insulin which you can mix with other different types of insulins. It is the only insulin which you can mix, just like normal saline which you can mix. It is the only insulin which can be mixed with other types of insulins, like intermediate acting insulin or long acting insulin. It can be mixed with that. So this regular insulin you can use in the emergency situation. This is similar to this actropid insulin. So this also, the duration of action will be around 6 to 8 hours, and it will peak around 2 to 4 hours, and it will start acting by 30 minutes. Okay, so this is about the regular insulin, and it also comes in 40 international unit per ml. So next, let's speak about the NPH, that is, it contains protamine. Okay, so it contains protamine, and this is a type of intermediate acting insulin, and it is also available in 40 international unit per ml. Okay, so this the duration of action will be around I think it will be around 4 to 6 hours, the duration of action, and it will be last. The peak will be around 4 to 6 hours, and the duration will be around 12 to 18 hours, right? 12 to 18 hours the duration will be lasting, and it will start acting by 1 to 2 hours. So this is an intermediate acting insulin. Okay, so this was about this NPH. And now let's talk about this. This is a biphasic isophene insulin injection. So this is a mixed insulin. So here it is a combination of, it is biphasic isophene insulin injection 30:70. So that means 30% of regular insulin is present, that is short acting insulin, and 70% of the intermediate acting insulin. So this also comes in 40 international unit per ml. So it also starts acting by 1 to 2 hours. It starts acting, and it has dual peak, because it contains both regular as well as the intermediate acting. Both are present, so it has a dual peak. The peak will be around 2 to 4 hours, and as well as around 6 to 8 hours. Okay, so it will last around 18 hours. The duration will be lasting around 18 hours. Okay. Now let's talk about the another type, that is this is also a biphasic isoprene insulin injection. This is 50:50. That means it contains 50% of the regular insulin and 50% of the intermediate acting insulin. So this also comes in 40 international unit per ml, and the duration of action will be similar to this okay. Because this two, you can see here, this two of the insulin, you will be finding there it is cloudy in nature. So before using, you need to mix it thoroughly, then you should not mix it vigorously. So these were the two mixed insulin. Now let's talk about the long acting insulin. So this name is insulin glargine injection RNA origin. So it comes in the name Basalog. So this is the brand name. So here you see this is the insulin which comes at 100 international unit per ml. So this is clear in color, and this is used for maintaining the basal insulin level. So this is a long acting insulin, and it will last around 24, the duration will last around 24 hours. Okay, so this is a long acting insulin. Okay, so now I'll be telling you how to take the insulin with the help of a syringe. So there are basically two types of syringe which are available. That is, first is 40 unit syringe. It is an insulin syringe. Another is 100 units insulin syringe. Suppose this is a 40 international unit per ml, right? So if the physician has ordered like to give the patient 80 international unit per ml, that means you need to take 2 ml. So you should use the 40 international unit syringe only to take all this, because all these are 40 international unit per ml. Only this is 100 international unit per ml. So you should always use the 40 international unit syringe to take this, so that it will not be confusing for you. Okay, so suppose 80 international unit is prescribed, so you should take 2 ml from this with the help of that 40 international unit, because 1 ml is 40 international unit, 2 ml will be 80 international unit. Suppose you want to take, you don't have this syringe and you want to take with the 100 international unit syringe. Okay, so 100 international unit is 1 ml equal to 100 international unit. So you want to take 80 international unit, so you need to take 0.8, not 1 ml. You should take 0.8 ml with the help of the 100 ml 100 international unit syringe. Okay, so that you should be very careful. You should be able to know the difference, like which syringe to be used for which insulin. Okay, so about the syringe, I think you all might be knowing the colors, because these two syringes are insulin syringe which is available in the world. So the 40 international unit will be red in color, and the 100 international unit will be orange in color. Okay, so this is what about the syringe. Now about the storing of this insulin. So this insulin you should store in the refrigerator at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and like if we are using one vial, it should not be used more than 6 weeks after opening, and it should be kept at less than 25 degrees Celsius. So that's all about today's. I hope you all have understood whatever I have explained. Thank you.